extremely hot mat. Hi guys.
Hi guys. how big was this?
Ah,
Gerald.
references.
Oh yeah.
We're at the Airshow today, as you can see. A lot of people.
On the day.
Sophie, Haley, Sophie. It's a lot of Sophies. And a gang of people over there.
Can't get in my pants, Jimmy.
What?
Can't get in my pants.
I'll help.
You're touching my penis.
Really? What's it doing down there?
Just pressed out.
Oh God.
Oh.
We've been here.
Why is it
Me,
still
Haley,
on?
Sophie and the kids have been here since 12, since 12. Dan and his crew, his motley crew, the Scooby-Doo gang. The Scooby-Doo gang got here for what time?
I don't know.
Kieran, freaking slept in.
Oh, that sucks.
Yeah?
Kieran slept in because he got his tramp stamp last night.
Oh, I thought you were going to get your press tube touched. It's the same.
That's still good. It's got a tic-tac.
Ah, mate, it's a button.
It's one of them ones where just didn't undo. Where you have to?
On the horizon for the 5th time.
Fifth time? You coming in, love?
Looking for
You coming in?
Sophie's new lad. There's a there somewhere.
Right, we'll show him to Adam.
It's not on?
She's on, isn't she?
She's not daft. There's no
I
feeling
thought it
in
was
this
too dark. I cannot say.
one. No, you can't.
I can't take my hands though, to be honest. Oh, it's been a nice day.
Dan, is that everything?
Right, get this on.
Finding photos of the man. Oh, shad.
Clap!
Clap.
Down hand.
Salute.
Down hand. Oh God, we're retards.
Oh, look at the people. There's people looking. Oh,
Oh,
it's
she's
not
doing it, isn't it? But anyway,
Speedboy, spell for
and Sophia, this Airshow date.